na magmumula sa mag-aaral ng kindergarten, Iyana o Agricula ay karangalan.
Good morning, everyone. To our wonderful parents, dedicated teachers, most especially our little stars, my fellow kindergarten graduates, welcome to this joyful celebration. Today, we honor these bright young minds who have taken their first big steps in learning, from singing songs to writing names, and from sharing toys to making new friends. We graduates have shown how eager we are to learn and grow. You are the graduates, are the future of the Philippines. Every smile, every question, and every little achievement you've made is a spark, and it will light up our nation's tomorrow. As we move on to the next chapter, remember to be curious, be kind, and never stop exploring. The world is full of wonders, and you have the power to make it even brighter. Once again, I am Iyana O. Agricula from kindergarten. Congratulations to my fellow graduates. Let's make this day unforgettable. Mabuhay!
Thank you, Iyana. Ngayon naman po, upang mapakilala ang mga bata magsisipagtapos kay Ma'am Mersa Lotis.